Alright, folks, we're taking your taste bud on a flavored pack adventure. I am frying up some golden crispy dumplings because who doesn't love a little crunch with their munch? And on the side, steamed callaloo and carrots, aka health police that showed up to balance the plates. Stick around because this gumbo is about to turn your kitchen into a Caribbean paradise. Let's sizzle and steam our way to deliciousness. To deliciousness. So with this recipe, I'll be only using salt, black pepper, and some all-purpose seasoning, along with my garlic, my tomato, and my onions and green onions, aka scallions, for steaming the vegetable or to steam the vegetables. Just add to taste or use seasoning of your likeness. So guys, I realized